Do you feel like confidence is holding you back in life? Whether it's in your career, relationships, or even daily interactions, many men struggle with confidence issues. In this video, we'll explore why this happens and, more importantly, how you can overcome it to become your best self. Why men struggle with confidence. Fear of failure or rejection. Past experiences that knocked your self-esteem. Comparing yourself to others, especially on social media. Lack of self-awareness about your strengths and potential. How confidence impacts your life. Affects your ability to take risks and pursue goals. Limits your social and romantic relationships. Causes stress, anxiety, and even depression. Develop self-awareness. Identify your strengths and focus on what you're good at. Accept your flaws and understand that nobody is perfect. Journal your thoughts to reflect on what's holding you back. Set small, achievable goals. Start with small wins to build momentum. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small they seem. Break big goals into manageable steps to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Improve your physical appearance and health. Exercise regularly. It improves your mood and energy. Groom yourself well and wear clothes that make you feel confident. Maintain a healthy diet to fuel both your body and mind. Face your fears gradually. Step out of your comfort zone, one step at a time. For example, initiate small conversations with strangers to improve social confidence. Remember, failure is part of growth. Learn from it instead of fearing it. Stop comparing yourself to others. Focus on your own progress rather than someone else's success. Limit time on social media if it triggers self-doubt. Remind yourself that everyone's journey is unique. Learn new skills. Take up a hobby or activity you've always wanted to try. Learning and mastering new skills boost your self-esteem and give you a sense of achievement. Build a support system. Surround yourself with positive, supportive friends and family. Avoid toxic people who bring you down or criticize you excessively. Consider talking to a mentor, coach, or therapist if needed. Practice gratitude. Write down 3 things you're grateful for each day. Gratitude shifts your focus from what's lacking to what you already have. Develop a growth mindset. View challenges as opportunities to grow. Replace negative self-talk with positive affirmations, such as, "I am capable," or "I can handle this." Be consistent. Confidence doesn't come overnight. It's built through consistent action. Stay disciplined and patient with your self-improvement journey. Confidence is a skill you can build, no matter where you're starting from. Take these steps, start small, and stay consistent. You'll notice a difference before you know it. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more self-improvement tips, and share it with someone who might need it. See you in the next one.